Have you ever considered how vibrations affect our reality? Just ponder on it for a moment. The subtle hum of your refrigerator, the rhythmic pulse of your own heartbeat, the gentle sway of a tree in the breeze. All these are manifestations of vibrations. They are not just scattered fragments of our existence, but an integral part of our everyday life. Vibrations surround us, shape us, and indeed define us. This video will delve into the fascinating world of vibrations and their impact on our reality. Vibrations, in essence, are oscillations or repetitive motions around an equilibrium point. Now let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of vibrations. At their most basic, vibrations are movements made over and over again around a central or equilibrium point. Imagine a pendulum swinging back and forth, or a plucked guitar string oscillating between two states. That's vibration in action. But what makes vibrations really interesting is when we start to explore the principles of resonance and frequency. Resonance is the phenomenon that occurs when an object vibrates at its natural frequency, the frequency that naturally occurs due to the object's physical properties. It's when an external force matches that natural frequency that we start to see some truly mesmerizing effects. Think about a wine glass shattering when a soprano hits a high note. That's resonance in action. The pitch of the singer's voice matches the natural frequency of the glass, causing it to vibrate so intensely that it shatters. Frequency, on the other hand, is simply the rate at which something vibrates. It's usually measured in hertz, named after the German physicist Heinrich Hertz. 1 hertz equals 1 cycle per second. So if something has a frequency of 2 hertz, it completes 2 cycles of vibration in 1 second. But here's the real kicker. Every object has a natural frequency at which it vibrates. That's right. Everything from the chair you're sitting on to the phone in your hand, right down to the very atoms that make up your body. Each possesses a unique vibratory signature, a kind of cosmic fingerprint, if you will. And it's not just physical objects. Sound, light, even thoughts. They all have a vibratory frequency. That's because at their core, they're all forms of energy. And energy, as we know, is never static. It's always in motion, always vibrating. So every object, every atom even, has its own unique vibratory frequency. Quantum mechanics, a realm where the traditional laws of physics seem to break down, is no stranger to vibrations. The universe, at its most fundamental level, is a hub of energy fluctuations, a dance of particles, and yes, vibrations. Let's spotlight 2 mind-bending concepts of quantum mechanics: quantum entanglement and quantum superposition. These concepts might sound like they belong in a science fiction novel, but they're very real and intimately connected to vibrations. Quantum superposition is the idea that a particle can be in multiple states at once. Picture a coin spinning in the air. It's not just heads or tails, but both at the same time. Only when we observe it or it interacts with something else does it choose a state. This is superposition. Now, what does this have to do with vibrations? Well, the spin of the coin, in actuality, is a measure of the particle's vibrational frequency. Different frequencies correspond to different states, and while unobserved, the particle vibrates at all frequencies simultaneously. Next up, quantum entanglement. When 2 particles become entangled, they become inextricably linked. Change the state of one and the other changes instantaneously, no matter the distance between them. It's as if they're dancing to the same beat, vibrating in harmony. Their vibrational frequencies become so intertwined that they effectively become one system, a single melody in the grand symphony of the quantum realm. So we see that vibrations are not just a phenomenon of the macro world. They're integral to the fundamental fabric of reality itself. They underpin the weird and wonderful world of quantum mechanics, contributing to the mystifying phenomena of superposition and entanglement. In essence, the quantum world is a symphony of vibrations. It's a realm where particles dance to the beat of their own drum, where entangled pairs vibrate in unison across vast cosmic distances, and where superposition allows for a multitude of melodies to play out simultaneously. The quantum realm is a testament to the power and pervasiveness of vibrations, a veritable vibrational wonderland. Moving from the quantum realm to a larger scale, vibrations still hold sway. As we venture into the world of energy fields, vibrations continue to play an integral role. Energy fields are everywhere, permeating the space around us. These fields include gravitational fields, electric fields, and magnetic fields, all of which have their own unique vibrational patterns. These patterns are not random. They follow certain rules, certain patterns, and it's these patterns that give rise to the concept of resonance in energy fields. But what exactly is resonance? Imagine a child on a swing. The swing moves back and forth at a certain frequency, a certain rhythm. If you push the swing at the right time in sync with its natural frequency, the swing goes higher and higher. This, at its most basic, is resonance. In the context of energy fields, resonance refers to the matching of frequencies between different fields. When the frequency of one field matches the frequency of another, they resonate. This resonance can lead to an amplification of energy, much like the swing going higher and higher. This is not just a theoretical concept, it has very real implications. For instance, resonance is the principle behind the operation of many modern technologies, including radios and televisions. By tuning into the resonant frequency of a particular station, we can receive its broadcast. But it's more than just technology. Resonance in energy fields also plays a crucial role in the natural world. It's the principle behind the beautiful colors in soap bubbles and oil slicks, the mesmerizing patterns in sand when exposed to certain sound frequencies, and even the devastating power of earthquakes. Thus, vibrations are not just a physical phenomenon, they are an energetic one as well. They are the invisible threads that weave together the tapestry of our universe, influencing everything from the smallest quantum particles to the largest energy fields. So, the next time you switch on your radio or marvel at a rainbow-hued bubble, remember the role of vibrations. Remember the power of resonance. And remember that, at its core, our universe is a symphony of vibrations. Thus, vibrations are not just a physical phenomenon, they are an energetic one as well. So how do these vibrations impact our reality? In the grand scheme of things, vibrations are more than just minute shutters in the fabric of existence. They're the backbone of our everyday life, the unsung heroes that power our world and shape our perceptions of reality. Consider the technology we use. It's a symphony of vibrations conducting a ballet of electrons and energy. Your smartphone, it operates on vibrations. Those incoming texts, social media notifications, and calls, they're all transformed from electromagnetic vibrations into visual and auditory signals by your device. Even as you're watching this video, the pixels on your screen are oscillating at specific frequencies to project the images you see. But the role of vibrations extends beyond just technology. They're also a key player in how we perceive the world around us. Sound and light, the two fundamental pillars of our sensory experience, are both forms of vibrations. When you listen to your favorite song, you're experiencing the vibrations of sound waves as they resonate through the air and interact with your eardrums. The subtle harmonies, the powerful bass, the soaring vocals, all of these are the result of carefully crafted vibrations. And what about light? It's nothing more than electromagnetic vibrations traveling at a mind-boggling speed. The colors we perceive are determined by the frequency of these vibrations. The serene blue of a summer sky, the fiery red of a sunset, the vibrant hues of a rainbow. They're all due to the way our eyes interpret these light vibrations. Our senses, in essence, are translators, converting the language of vibrations into a symphony of experiences that we call reality. They bridge the gap between the abstract world of energy and the tangible world we interact with daily. So, the next time you marvel at a beautiful piece of art or tap your feet to a catchy tune, remember, you're not just enjoying the product of human creativity. You're experiencing the magic of vibrations, the invisible forces that shape our world in ways we often take for granted. From the music we hear to the colors we see, vibrations shape our perception of reality. Vibrations, then, are not just a simple scientific phenomenon. They are the all-encompassing rhythm of our universe, the underlying melody that plays out across every scale, from the tiniest quantum particles to the vast energy fields that encompass our world and beyond. Throughout this exploration, we've journeyed from the heart of the quantum realm, where vibrations shape reality on an unimaginably small scale, to the macroscopic world of energy fields that resonate in harmony with these quantum oscillations. We've seen how these vibrations are not merely isolated occurrences, but an integral part of the interconnected symphony that is our universe. We've delved into the profound implications of these vibrations on our own reality. We've seen that they are not just abstract concepts, but have a tangible impact on our everyday lives. They shape the way we perceive the world around us, influencing our thoughts, our emotions, and even our physical health. But perhaps most importantly, we've discovered that we are not mere observers in this symphony. We are active participants, contributing our own unique vibrations to the cosmic orchestra. Each thought, each emotion, and each action sends out ripples of energy that resonate with the vibrations of the universe. In the grand scheme of things, we are all a part of this universal symphony of vibrations.